A happy Monday to everybody! Today is a great day for us to learn new things. Alright, we're going to learn how to write a persuasive paragraph. These are the objectives for today. Let's define persuade and persuasive paragraph. Number two, we're going to write an outline of persuasive paragraph with at least 3 reasons and examples. So let's start. What are the parts of a paragraph? We say that a paragraph is like a burger, and a burger has different parts or ingredients. If one ingredient is missing, then therefore a burger will never be delicious. In the same way, a paragraph has different parts: topic sentence, supporting details, and closing sentence. So if one part of a paragraph is missing, it will never be effective and interesting to read. Okay? Now let's define what is to persuade. What do you think? What do you mean by persuade? Alright, thank you for that. So, persuade is to convince, meaning when you persuade, you change someone's opinion by explaining or reasoning. When you persuade someone, you explain, you give reasons. So when you give reasons, you need to have facts, evidences, or examples for you in order for you to persuade that someone. All right? Now, what is a persuasive paragraph? So based on the definition of persuade, we can derive a definition of what is a persuasive paragraph. Okay, let's reveal. A persuasive paragraph tries to convince the reader that a particular point of view is worthy of consideration. Meaning to say, when you write a persuasive paragraph, your objective here is to make your reader believe on what is your stand, whether you agree or you disagree on the issue. Remember this. In a persuasive writing or paragraph, good writers state a clear opinion. You need to give reasons and specific examples that support the opinion. Meaning to say, if these are all present in your paragraph, definitely you can convince your reader and change their point of view. Right? Now, question, sir. What are the parts of a persuasive paragraph? Alright, so always remember this acronym, OREO. O stands for opinion, which is your topic sentence. R for the reasons, and E for examples. So when you give your reasons, you need to have examples. And last, you need to have or restate your opinion. So, topic sentence, these are for supporting details, and this is the closing sentence. Remember that, only Oreo. Alright? Now, so what are the things that we need to write in the topic sentence? In topic sentence, you are going to state your opinion, whether you agree or disagree on the issue. You may use, for example, in my opinion, or I prefer, or you can say, I believe that. So you're going to state here your opinion, whether you agree or disagree. Alright? Next, what should we write in the supporting details? Alright, we are going to write our reasons. How many reasons? So for us, we need to have 3 reasons with examples or evidences. For example, reason 1 with examples, reason 2 with examples or evidences, reason 3 with examples. Alright? So how are we going to start our reason? You may say first, for example, second, for example, moreover, or lastly. Okay? So you need to use transition words to write your reasons. And lastly, we need to have our closing sentence. What are we going to write here? In closing sentence, you need to restate your opinion again. Alright? Restate your opinion here in a new way using transition word like therefore, or in conclusion, or in summary, or we say all in all. So these are examples of transition words when you write closing sentence. You only need to restate your opinion. Alright. Now, have we achieved objective number 1? Thank you for that. So we will learn how to write an outline of a persuasive paragraph. So let's have our prompt. Many people think exercising every day is a waste of time. However, it is very beneficial and good for the health. Write 50 to 90 words on why daily exercising should be done by everyone. So let's start. What should we write in the topic sentence for that topic? Let's try. I have here an example. You see, if you're going to state your opinion, you see, in my opinion, exercising every day is important and should be done by everyone. So, what are the possible reasons for this topic or for this opinion? So, reason number 1, we have here first. You may say first, exercising every day helps in waking you up. For example, if you exercise before going to school, you will feel more awake and energetic. So that's our first reason. Next, let's try it. We have here reason number 2. You see, you will always use transition word. Second, exercising regularly makes you feel better and happier. For example, exercising increases your happy hormones and decreases stress. That's our reason number 2. Now let's have reason number 3. Moreover, look at this. I use moreover, exercising can reduce weight and make you healthier. For example, by exercising, you burn calories, thus you lose fat and your weight is reduced. Now remember, class, we say that when we write our closing sentence, we just restate our opinion, but do not copy this anymore, in my opinion. Okay? So, let's see how are we going to write our closing sentence. Okay, we will use therefore. According to the previous stated reasons, I think exercising every day is very good for the health and should be done by everyone. So you see, we only restate here our opinion. Exercising every day is very good for the health and should be done by everyone. Look at this. We can find it here. Alright? So, this is already an example of a persuasive paragraph. Alright? Is it clear? Thank you for that. Now, have we achieved objective number 2? Alright, thank you. So, I hope you learned something for today's lesson, and please be reminded that all your worksheets are posted in our Google Classroom. And I want to remind here also that please, for those who are not attending our live session in Zoom, I really, really do miss you guys. Please attend our live session instead of listening to this recorded lesson. Alright? So goodbye everyone. See you next lesson.